Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to attach an image to a shape here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To attach or place an image inside a shape in Canva, you can use a technique called clipping or masking. This will allow you to put your image to the shape of the object you have chosen. Now, first is we need to add a shape to your design, and from there, we need to create a design or a project like this one. In my case, I'm going to click on the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, we need to create an engaging kind of thumbnail for us to be able to put on our YouTube DFlap channel. Now, first off is, once you're here, I want you to click on the elements. And on the elements, we need to scroll down to shapes. Click on this see all. Now you have a lot of options for this specific shape you want to use. For example, do you want some square shape, maybe a circle, maybe a triangle? How about like an arrow? So you have all these options, all right? So you're not limited. Like a comic strip balloon, you have all of these. Maybe a sun, or I don't know, maybe a star if you want. You can drag them all here. Now the next thing is I'm going to add a shape, or let's say a photo. All right. Now, on the app here, I'm gonna click on the photo because the photo is not visible on the left side pane. If I click on that, the photo will be put it here. Now, say for example, you want this image. All I have to do is click the image, drag it on the specific shape, that you wanted. All right, so for example, this one, you can drag it here and you can resize. So that's one way if you wanted to use it on a shape. But the easiest way is go again to the elements and go to frames. All right, let me delete all of these for now. Click on frames. Click all the frames that you wanted. For example, the triangle, the square. You have all of these. Maybe let's delete this for now. Maybe how about a device, right? Like a mobile, like a tablet. So I have all of these at my disposal. I'm switching back again to the photos. I'm gonna drag this to this. You see that? Basically, that's how you do it. All right. You can drag the image over the shape. For example, this. Once the shape highlights, release the image and it will automatically snap inside the shape, taking its form. For example, this one right here. Right. And again, switch back again to the elements. If you wanted to add more of the say for example flower, I'm gonna delete this one for now. Okay, so we have we have like a room for every image that we wanted to add. Maybe on the device, if you select that, you have all these. How about a computer? You can drag it here, properly adjust, so we have many rooms for images that we can adjust here. Last is gonna be like this one for now. Hover back again to the audio, or if you want this time, maybe we can put in the videos. Can drag it here. You see that the video has been added, right? Drag it to the watch. Let's look for this one and add it to the mobile device, and this one on the mobile device as well. All right, let me exit this now so we can have better view. If we click on the upper right corner, there's going to be the play button to see if the design looks very well. Now I'm gonna hover back again to the video, and I'm gonna put in some, maybe like on the flower. I'm gonna click on X again and click on the play button. All right. Now again, while it's playing, you can resize or remove the shape with the image inside it by selecting and dragging the edges or moving it around your design. You can always double click on the image inside the shape to reposition or resize it within the shape. Simply drag the image around to its position and make sure it looks right inside the shape. All right. Once you are happy with that, you can click or done or click outside the shape to save the adjustments. And of course, this technique allows you to create custom images, cutouts to any shape you like by adding a creative and polish to your design. Now, on top of that, we are going to the section here that says background. I'm gonna click on apps. Click on background so we can have a customized background for our design here to make it more creative. So for example, this one right here. And if you click on play again, you see it becomes dramatic, right? It has this cinematic effect. Now, attaching an image or a video to a shape in Canva can serve various creative and practical purposes, whether you're designing for a professional or personal use, or a lot more, or even you're presenting this to your client or freelancer, right? Now, in my case, for personal projects like digital scrapbooks, attaching images to shapes can add a playful and nostalgic feel to the pages that I work with. Once you are happy with it, you have another option on the upper right corner to send this collaboration link to anyone with the link. For example, if you're working with multiple freelancers, your team members, your client, or your boss, or you can simply click on the pop download. You can download via MP4, JPEG, PNG, PDF, standard, or SVG, or GIF. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.